And this small motorized dolly actually creates smooth cinematic camera movement, or is it just another gadget? Today I am testing the Neewer DL100 with both my iPhone and Canon DSLR. I am also using a mini ball head for more shooting angles and for the pan and tilt shots. And I will pair the dolly with my DJI Osmo Mobile 7 gimbal. I will show you the equipment in motion, followed immediately by the footage it captured, so you can judge the results for yourself. Let's begin. Just a quick note about the little rail I'm using. I went to Lowe's and I bought a few items for about $10, added a few touches to keep the dolly from rolling off and damaging my camera or gimbal, mounted it on two old stands that I had sitting in my closet for years, and it's nothing fancy, but it works surprisingly well. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.